Are you ready to be blown away by the jaw-dropping numbers behind one of the world's most audacious megaprojects? Get ready to be immersed in a world of futuristic technology, astounding budgets, and breathtaking timelines. In this video, we're taking you on a journey to discover the numbers behind the line, Saudi Arabia's ambitious plan to build a city of the future right in the middle of the desert. The Line is a futuristic megaproject announced by Saudi Arabia's Crown Prince, Mohammed bin Salman, in January 2021. The project aims to create a 170-kilometer-long city that is carbon-free, car-free, and powered entirely by renewable energy sources. The line will be built in a straight line through the desert, with a planned population of 1 million people living in a densely populated urban environment. So let's look at some of the numbers behind this giant project that will change the way we look at what's possible in engineering. First of all, the Prince of Saudi Arabia wants to build two 500-meter-tall skyscrapers next to each other. That is something that has been done before, but now stretch these two buildings across 170 kilometers across a desert. For reference, this would be the same as building 2001 World Trade Centers next to each other, twice. In the world today, there are only 12 skyscrapers that is taller than 500 meters, which means that the line would have to build 4,000 buildings of a size that has only been done by humanity 12 times before. The line is planned to be partly completed by 2030, which has generated a lot of questions among experts in engineering. One World Trade Center had a construction time from 2006 to 2013. This means that if the line was to be built in the same pace as the skyscraper in New York, it would take 8,000 years. This video showcases what New York City and Manhattan would look like if it were to be built the same way as the line. This mega project is estimated to cost a whopping $500 billion, which is $500 billion. To put this into perspective, let's compare it to the GDP of some of the countries around the world. Let's compare it to the combined GDP of 10 African countries. According to the World Bank, the combined GDP of Ethiopia, Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, Djibouti, Eritrea, Somalia, and South Sudan was around $422 billion in 2020. This means that the Line megaproject costs more than the entire combined economy of these 10 African countries. The developer of NEOM has made many sustainability claims, with the development aiming to be powered by 100% renewable sources. However, NEOM, and the line in particular, have been criticized for the expected embodied carbon associated with building the project. Philip Oldfield, head of the Built Environment School at the University of New South Wales, has estimated that upwards of 1.8 billion tons of embodied carbon dioxide will be produced just in the process of constructing this giant building. This staggering number is actually more carbon dioxide released for the construction of this building than Germany, Russia, or Japan release in a whole year as a country. The line will feature advanced technology, including artificial intelligence, and will be built using cutting-edge construction techniques such as 3D printing. The project is expected to create 380,000 jobs and contribute $48 billion to Saudi Arabia's GDP by 2030. The city will be connected by high-speed transportation, with journey times of no more than 20 minutes between any 2 points. As we conclude our exploration of the mind-blowing numbers behind the line, it's clear that this project is more than just a city. It's a vision for the future. It's a vision of a sustainable, technologically advanced, and livable world where nature and humans can coexist harmoniously. But as impressive as the numbers are, we must remember that they are just a means to an end. The real goal of the line is to inspire and drive positive change, to challenge the status quo and push the boundaries of what's possible. It's a call to action to all of us, to think bigger, to dream bigger, and to create a better world for ourselves and future generations. So let's take inspiration from the line and use the power of our imagination to shape a world that's not just impressive in numbers, but also in the impact it has on people, the environment, and society as a whole. The journey to create a better world starts with a single step, and the line is a bold step in the right direction. I hope you enjoyed this video and want to see more content from us. If you do, please hit the subscribe button, and thank you so much for your support. See you guys later.